front bumper lips, air splitters, whatever you want to call them. What do they do? Why do you need one? Well, I'm going to demonstrate for you. So air coming up to your bumper just kind of goes poof. If you have a splitter, it does different. It does what it says. It splits the air to the top of the car and the bottom of the car. Let me demonstrate. See? No work. Oh man. God. Ouch. Kinda hurt. That's why you need a splitter. So we got one. Gonna put it on the F10 now, after I can walk. Stay tuned. Seriously, messed my leg up. God, anyway, alright, that's not why you guys are watching. Well, maybe it is. But anyway, this splitter here, you know, I only go with the best. It's carbon fiber. ABS plastic carbon fiber. No, it's just ABS plastic. It's black. I don't like the fake carbon fiber look on this vehicle because it's all black. So, I guess I could lie and say it's carbon fiber painted black. Who cares? Anyway, this is cheap. That was cheap. 125 bucks, I think it was. So, this guy is a couple different pieces. You got the main lip, and then you've got a piece on each side that mounts under the fog light. That just gives it a little more stability, and then you self-tap into the bottom of the bumper. Super simple. So let's get this thing out and see what it looks like first. So, this bumper on this car already looks aggressive, but what I don't like is there's no smoothness at the bottom. So this is what this guy, you know, look at this. That's just the underside. You're not going to see that until you see how bad you scraped. But anyway, so this is it. Nice shiny ABS. So you got two mounting points right here in the middle, and then on the edges, I'll show you what those do. And then you also got a bunch of double-sided 3M tape here. And then your self-tappers. So we'll get into that. But here's one side. Like I said, these are the pieces that go under the fog light on the bumper and just give it a little more rigidity. Just like that. So that's gonna go something like that, maybe, oh, up here. Up here, there we go. Sits in there just like that, okay? One on each side. So you 3M tape this guy down, one on the other side, and then you run some 3M tape on the inside to adhere to the, right below the fog lamp, and then you're good to go. And then we'll stick it on like that, and then we'll self-tapper it in place underneath the bumper. So, yeah, guess I'll get this thing taped up. I'm going to stick these both on there, and then I'm going to stick them in my heated room, give that adhesive time to bond and warm up, and the ABS to warm up, and that'll make everything a little easier. So we'll revisit this probably tomorrow. So I tried to slip the splitter on with the little covers on here, and they just pop right off the splitter. There's so much flex that has to happen with this piece. So this side I stuck on. So I think I'm going to stick them on first and then put the splitter on last. I think that might be easier for me, even if I have to replace this 3M tape. So let's see, I'll show you how I did it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. There. Alright. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Alright, so I'm going to try and hold it out a little bit as I put it up here, push it back, set it in place here so it's nice and adhered, and we're good. Then we can go up a little bit further and actually put the splitter underneath of it, I think, or mock it anyway, mock it up. There are some spots here. We got to take the hardware from underneath the bumper. Yep. That's what we got. That's what it looks like. That's why it's not going to work. So we got to get some hardware out of there. Okay, folks. So it's the next day. I got these guys on both sides, and then where'd it go? Okay. So I taped the undersides of those on the top of the splitter itself. Alright, not too bad. Fitment, it's a little rough right here. I had these in first, and I actually had to pull this out to make it fit the contour of the lip, to make it run through a little better with the bumper. So right here it's just a little odd, but if you push this back, then you're gonna have a gap down here, and I'd rather not have that. So don't look too bad. I'll drop it down here and show you, but I want to show you where I secured it first. So I've got 3 on each side. I got 3 right here to pull these 2 together, 2 right here, and all those are doing is just kind of securing it to the under fender liner. And then the bumper, I had to drill these out because there's a aluminum support under there that you have to get through first. Oh, that one's not even tight. Holy moly. Yeah, I'll redo that. And then same thing, 3 over here. This side, driver's side, is a little tighter on fitment, a little bit better, but it's still got that little gap right there. But overall, doesn't look too bad. Can't wait to get it on the ground. Alright guys, so here is the finished product here. Definitely looks better. Definitely. Yeah, looks super good. I'm happy with it. Definitely super happy with it. Alright guys, once again I'm editing this. Didn't do an outro, whatever. But car looks super good. I can't wait, man. The next video, I believe I'm doing the JB4 piggyback tune on it. This thing's gonna get crazy. So I just can't wait to get this thing out on the road, get them H&R Springs to settle, really see where the final ride height is at. And I mean, it's just, this thing is looking like one of the best F10s around here. So definitely, if you guys like the content, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.